Assalamu alaikum and welcome back. From today, we are going to start our exercises. Before starting anything, what you have to do, you have to make a title page which says chapter number and chapter name. Turn the page and write a date at the corner and start writing. Exercise A. Choose the correct answer. Number 1. Which of the following is a luminous body? Moon, Earth, Sun, Venus. The answer is Sun. The shadow of an object is dash when it is near the light source. Smaller, larger, same or thinner. The answer is B. Larger. Number third, which of the following is a translucent object? Elephant, onion peel, potatoes and carrot. The answer is B. Onion peels. Number fourth, when sun is behind you, your shadow is dash. A. Also behind you. B. Below your feet. C. Above your head. And D. In front of you. The answer is D. In front of you. Number fifth, which of these is because of reflection of light? Number A. Light coming from the moon. B. Light coming from the stars. C. Light coming from the sun. D. None of these. The answer is A. Light coming from the moon. Exercise B. Answer these questions in a sentence. Number 1. What are luminous objects? Objects that emit a light of their own are called luminous objects. Question number 2. A boy can clearly see the light rays passing through an object. Is the object transparent? Answer: yes, the object is transparent. Number 3. Which type of an image does the pinhole camera produce? Answer: pinhole camera produces a real but inverted image. Number 4. What is the reflection of light? The answer is reflection is the bouncing back of the light from shiny surfaces. Number 5. During the night, in a pond of water, you can see the image of a moon. Is it because of reflection of light? The answer is yes, it is because of reflection of light. Exercise C. Answer these questions. Number 1. How can we see non-luminous objects? Answer: we can see non-luminous objects only when a light from luminous objects falls on them and travels from there to reach our eyes. Question number 2. What are transparent, opaque and translucent objects? Answer: write a heading of transparent and start writing. A transparent object allows light to pass through them. Write a heading of opaque and start writing. An object doesn't allow light to pass through them. Again, write a heading of translucent and start writing. A translucent object partially allows light to pass through them. Number 3. Which property of light is used in forming the image inside a pinhole camera? The answer is light may travel in a straight line, thus they cast shadows and form images in a pinhole camera. Number 4. Why are the inner parts of the pinhole camera painted black? The answer: it helps in improving the picture quality by avoiding unnecessary reflection of light inside the camera. 5th, are the images formed in a mirror due to reflection of light? Explain. The answer is reflection is the bouncing back of light from shiny surfaces. That's why images in the mirror are formed by the reflection of light from its shiny surface. Number 6. Does a mirror produce a flip image of an object? Yes, the mirror gives us a flipped image. The left side will appear as a right side and vice versa. Exercise number D. Write these questions in detail. Question number 1. What is light? How does it help us to see an object? Write a heading of light and start writing. Light is something that helps us to see object. We can see only when there is a light. Our eye can see light travel at a speed of 3 into 10 in space. Nothing in the world can move faster than light. We can see objects only when a light falls on them and travel towards our eyes. Question number 2. What is a shadow? What are the essential things to form a shadow of an object? Again, write a heading of shadow and start writing. A shadow, the area of darkness behind the opaque object kept in light. For the formation of shadow, there are these 3 requirements. Number 1, a light source. Number 2, an opaque object. Number 3, a screen. Question number 3. Does the size of a shadow of an object depend upon the size of the object? The answer is the size of the shadow doesn't depend upon the size of an object. The size of the shadow becomes longer when the object is brought near the light or the screen is moved away from the object. Number 4. How did people in earlier time use shadows of objects in the sun to measure time? The answer is, in ancient time, sundials based on shadows were used to tell the time. As the day progresses, the sun moves across the sky, causing the shadow of the object to move and hence indicating the passage of time. Question number 5. Describe an activity to show that light travels in a straight line. Answer. Take 3 small pieces of cardboard. Make a small hole in the center of the cardboard pieces. Point number 2. Arrange these 3 stands along a straight line. Direct a light from a laser pointer on the hole of the first cardboard. Point number 3. Light passes through all the 3 holes as they are aligned along a straight line. Now for this question you have to make a diagram. So open page number 160 and mark figure 15.10. You have to make a diagram 15.10 for the question number 5. Question number 6. What is the difference between an image and a shadow? Does a pinhole camera produces an image or a shadow of the object? Make a column and write image and shadow. Now start writing. Point number 1. Image shows all the details of an object. Shadow is a dark line formed behind an opaque object. Number 2. Image isn't misleading. Shadow of an object can be misleading. Point number 3. All colors are seen in the image or in a pinhole camera. No color are seen in the shadow. Number 4. Image may be upright and inverted. Shadow aren't inverted. That's all for the today's lecture class. Thank you so much for your time. And please mark कि क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 पे यू हैव टू मेक फिगर 15.10 जो कि पेज 160 पर है. थैंक यू.